Hello everyone, welcome to Chemizon Complete Chemistry. So in this video we are going to solve the question from IIT JAM 2007 paper. So the question is identify the value of N for the following molecule based on Huckel's rule. So this is based on Huckel's rule of aromaticity. So the structure of the molecule is given. So let us first count the number of pi electrons. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 pi bonds. Okay, 8 pi bonds, and one pi bond is made up of 2 pi electrons. So 8 into 2. 8 into 2 total 16. So if you total there are 16 pi electrons. So suppose you mark the answer as option A. So is this correct? No, this is incorrect. Why? Because what we have to calculate is the value of N and not the pi electrons. So is this number of pi electrons also correct? No, pi electrons is also not correct. Suppose you have counted 16 and now you try to fit in the formula 4n plus 2 pi electrons rule. Okay, what is a Huckel's rule of aromaticity? That an aromatic compound, must have 4n plus 2 pi electrons. And what is n? N is any integer, 0, 1, 2, 3. Integer means any number. Okay, suppose there is 16 is what we have calculated. Okay, suppose I substitute, let's say n is equal to 4, then it will be 18. Okay, 18 is not matching. Suppose I substitute n is equal to 3. 4 3s are 12 plus 2. This is 14. So what is the problem? The important concept here is that you have to remember is, okay, only the peripheral electrons. Okay, only the peripheral electrons are involved in resonance or conjugation. Peripheral means at the boundary. So which all pi electrons will be considered? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this middle pi bond will not participate in conjugation. Okay, which is in the interior of the cyclic molecule. This is a conjugated system. Okay, rings are fused. Okay, this is a fused ring system. So this middle pi bond, this will not participate in resonance. If you see, the conjugation is like this. Okay, only the peripheral electrons are involved in conjugation. The middle pi bond is not involved. Okay, if I remove this circle, now you can see clearly that only the peripheral electrons are involved. This middle pi bond will not be involved in conjugation. So total there are how many pi bonds? Total there are 7 pi bonds that are involved in conjugation. So 7 pi bonds, so 7 2s are 14. Okay, 14. So now 14, suppose you have counted the pi electrons correct, and again if in a hurry if you mark the answer as D, that is also going to be incorrect. Why? Because N is not the total pi electrons. N is not equal to the total pi electrons. Okay, if you are misunderstood the value of N, it is not the total pi electrons. It is this N in this formula. So what we have to do is we have to substitute. So total is 4n plus 2. Okay, total pi electrons is 14. So you have to solve this and calculate the value of N. 4n will be 14. This here it was plus 2, here it will be minus 2. 14 minus 2 is 12. Okay, 4n is equal to 12. N will be, here it is multiplication, on the right hand side it will become division. Okay, so answer is 3. Okay, here we had seen 4 into 3 plus 2 is 14. So the correct answer for this question is going to be which option? It is going to be option B. Okay, 4 into 3, sorry, it is going to be option C. Okay, 4 3s are, okay, N is 3. So 4 3s are 12 plus 2 is 14. So you have to be very careful what they are asking. Okay, they are asking the value of N. They are not asking the total pi electron. Okay, so the correct answer will be option C. That is 3. I hope you have understood the solution. Thank you.